income tax and jargons, no more running away because we are yours to make tax related learning a little bit more fun for you. Hi folks, this is Jyoti from Clear, where we have served more than 6 million plus tax filers. Clear is India's largest tax and financial services platform. So subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with us. We are back again with an Explain Like I'm 5, as you all have loved our last video. Through this series, we try to decode income tax jargons through small acts which help you to understand the concept better. In this video, we are going to talk about presumptive taxation scheme. Now, presumptive taxation is a simplified method to calculate taxes for small businesses and professionals. For example, it is applicable to small businesses having a turnover up to Rs 2 crores. Usually, businesses pay taxes on the profits calculated as per the income tax rules. However, under a presumptive taxation scheme, tax is to be paid on the profits which are calculated as a fixed percentage of turnover. Say for example, if your turnover is Rs 1 crore, then the profits will be presumed at 8%, that is Rs 8 lakhs, and tax will be paid accordingly. Hence, the businesses need not maintain books of accounts or conduct audit under this scheme. So let us see the act, but make sure you watch the video till the end to understand what the presumptive taxation means.
Vivi, busy writing?
Yes, Mama.
Vivi, I was thinking I'll start giving you chocolates when you do good in your exams. Okay? So, if you get 9 marks in maths, you will get 2 chocolates. Okay? And if you get 8 marks in maths, then you will get 1 chocolate. But if you get 7 marks and below, no chocolates. Okay? So similarly, in English also, if you get 9 marks, you will get 2 chocolates. Okay? And if you get 8 marks, then you will get 1 chocolate. If you get 7 or below, what will you get? 0 chocolates. Are you understanding this, Mevan?
I don't understand. I will study or maintain this record. My time will wasted.
Yeah, that is true. Okay, let me simplify this for you. Okay, if you get 8 marks and above, in English or maths, you will get 2 chocolates. Is this simple for you now?
This is so simple.
Good.
I will study, you will give chocolates.
Yes.
I can eat 1 chocolate now.
Yes, sure.
Just as you saw in this video that mommy decides to keep it simple and give chocolate every time Mevan scores 8 or more instead of keeping a very complicated parameter. Presumptive taxation has a similar concept. It aims to simplify taxes for small businesses and professionals. So what is the purpose of the scheme and how is it useful? According to the Income Tax Act, businesses are required to maintain books of accounts if the turnover is more than a specific limit. Presently, it is Rs 25 lakhs. Secondly, if a business crosses a turnover of Rs 1 crore, then audit provisions also become applicable. Now, as we all know that audit is conducted by chartered accountants, which means they review, check and inspect the books of accounts and present an audit report stating that the income is calculated according to the income tax provisions. Though there are various ifs and buts when and how these provisions become applicable, the procedure is complex and needs a lot of time and resources. If we see the dictionary meaning, then presumptive means estimating, that is presuming something due to the absence of further information. Similarly, under the presumptive scheme, profits of the businesses are presumed at a percentage of turnover as the books of accounts are not required to be maintained. So, presumptive scheme was introduced to keep the small businesses away from this compliance burden. If they opt for the scheme, then they do not have to spend so much of time and resources to maintain the books of accounts and carry out the audit. A taxpayer adopting the presumptive taxation scheme can declare income at a prescribed rate of turnover and in turn is relieved from the tedious job of maintenance of books of accounts and audit. That's all for today's video. Hope this was helpful and you enjoyed watching it. Let us know if you like these series and you want to see more of such fun-loving learning videos. Comment the topics below which you would like us to decode for in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like the video and claim your free giveaway by subscribing to our channel. The link is in the description box below. Share this video with all your friends and relatives who may benefit from it. Also, stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye-bye.